just wanted to warm up the bike a little bit just to get the oil a little loose so we can drain it better. So now we're about to get the drain plug. What did he say? The drain plug a cracking. As you can see, it's right there, smiling at me. And I got some goodies from Am's Oil. Don't need to see that. All right. Gave me a paper funnel. Never seen that before. Am's oil filter. A nice sticker. Thank you. Some rubber gloves. Thank you. And the good stuff. This is the liquid gold. All right. So now I got my 17. Let me crack the fill cap. Goddamn. Tight. Cut. You wanna crack the oil fill. I'm sure everybody knows how to change their oil. Put that to the side. Ooh, look at that clutch. All right. Anyways, back to business. I'm only one man. I'm not a pro, so let me crack this real quick. Drain is cracked. You know what? Let me switch hands. Let her flow. I don't know if you can reuse these, but I'm gonna reuse it. So we're just gonna let that drain. Now it's barely draining, but I don't have patience like that, so just hit the drain bolt with some good old Brackline, as my woman would like to say, some Brackline. I didn't mean for all this to happen, but it got a little messy. I think I did mention in the last clip that I might have to wash it off, so that's exactly what I'll be doing after this. I got the not the air filter. Whoa. I got the oil filter. Nice and snug, hand tightened. Don't want any more than that. Honestly, should have got the K&N again. This is a lifesaver. Makes it so much easier to get off, and you can put safety wire through it if you do go to the track or whatnot. Probably lube up my chain after. Definitely lube up my chain after I wash the bike. So, all right, let's fill some oil in this pig. This is some older oil I had from the last change. I didn't use it all, so I'm going to put the rest in here so I can put the waste into this. And I have the freshie right there, so ain't no worries. Funnel's clean. I need both hands to hold this steady, so I'll check back with y'all. The birds had a little something to say too, huh? Strictly for the viewers. I don't want to tip the bike over, but as you can see, right there, I'm gonna start the bike. Let the oil filter, circulate, suck up some oil. Okay. And also with this, I'm gonna try and look for any leaks that may occur. Man, we is right on the money with the oil. You can't see it right now because I don't have the bike tipped, but it's done. I'm about to wash it up, lather it up, and might go for a ride. Just gotta get the oil off, you know. Probably should have sprayed some brake clean down there, but it is what it is. While I'm here, might as well clean my chain up. So let's get to it real quick. Now I'm gonna go ride, hit the road.
All right, video's gonna end here, y'all. I did not have my chin mount equipment for my helmet. Unfortunately, could not record the ride. The ride was blissful, by the way, but that's neither here nor there. There will be more content upcoming, so if you subscribe, turn on those notifications so you'll be notified on anything Up Top True related. I enjoyed this one. I hope you guys did too. I'll see you in the next one. Keep the rubber side down and stay safe, everybody. Peace.